Hey guys, I'm back here with another video, and today, a day or two ago, my brother got a BB gun, and we were going to be testing it out on a piece of paper. So, Holden, give me the piece of paper. We'll be putting it right here, right there. That is perfect. Okay, wait. Okay, so Holden will be going right here, and he is going to be aiming. Let's see. Actually, wait. One more shot. Okay, no more. Let's see if he got a hole.
I don't think I hit it.
No, he did not hit the paper. Now it's my turn. No, hey, no. Okay, Holden, can you hold the top of it?
Yeah, sure.
Now. Holden, stop. No.
Sorry.
Okay.
Ready. Aim. Fire. Dude, you got... Trevor's right there. Fat cat. Fat cat's right there. You hit it once.
Try it one last time.
No? Fine. Got it one time right there. See the little hole right there?
Okay. I did only hit it one time. Just wait, I want to make sure there's bullets in here. Yep, there is.
No, you take the ammo pack thing out, whatever.
Yep, there's still.
Okay.
Okay, anyways, that was a video of the BB gun.
You
And
can find our loading.
if you want more videos like this, like and share and subscribe too. I have a metal detector. No, don't!
No,
I have a metal detector too, and if you guys want me to make a video on that, comment down below, or
I need you to turn it off after.
like the video. Anyways, bye guys.